When nature speaks, the destruction is unimaginable. The terrifying, haunting scenes captured on camera reveal an unstoppable fury. We are merely powerless before Mother Nature's wrath. Brace yourself, because you're about to witness some of the most chilling moments ever. On July 10, 2023, a powerful flood caused by torrential rains in Kullu, India, demonstrated the unstoppable force of nature. The water level in the river surged to a critical point, and in the blink of an eye, the raging torrent swallowed entire houses, leaving nothing but rubble behind. Structures that had stood for years vanished within seconds, as if they had never existed. Eyewitnesses captured a tornado raging near Dodge City in Kansas, USA. A massive funnel of fury spins with relentless power, consuming everything in its path. The storm that struck the island in 2023 turned a speedboat excursion into a true nightmare for tourists. This video serves as a stark reminder of just how dangerous water trips can be during a thunderstorm or storm. Here's the proof that fog, yes, you heard that right, can also be destructive. The National Weather Service in New Orleans reported that visibility in some areas over the lake, including the bridge, was only half a kilometer. No wonder that in such bad weather, a chain of 6 epic accidents occurred. Fortunately, all the injuries were minor, and there were no fatalities. This is how Mother Nature doesn't forgive even the slightest mistakes. One of the most powerful mudslides in Japan. Structures that seemed sturdy and stable become nothing in the face of this natural disaster. The sheer force of nature is impossible to fight against. The only option is to try to survive. Earthquakes typically last from a few seconds to several minutes, destroying everything in their path. You can see the water in the lake shaking violently, and everything inside the house gets thrown into disarray. A strong earthquake with a magnitude of 5, which occurred in Japan on February 13, 2021, disrupted the calm of our smaller brothers. It's astonishing how, in just a few seconds, an entire slope, something that should remain immobile for centuries, comes crashing down. During a powerful typhoon, the raging waters of northern China nearly engulfed the ship, overturning it and tilting it on its side. Watching it, you can almost feel your breath catch, as the tension is so intense, it grips you through the screen. On September 16, 2023, in South Africa, a passerby managed to capture how the unruly waves grew increasingly aggressive until they completely took over the coastline, engulfing a car in the process. A massive storm is approaching the harbor of Cape Town, South Africa, with winds reaching 120 kilometers per hour. It knocks containers off balance, with some even falling into the sea. These shots could easily be part of a Hollywood blockbuster. A small avalanche almost caught a snowboarder off guard. Just look at how quickly the snow, mixed with chunks of ice, rushes down the slope, seemingly trying to outrun the guy. Thankfully, the slope wasn't too steep, and the snowboarder was lucky enough to be faster. Who knows what could have happened if nature had decided differently? Half of the avalanche came down in the Prielbrussi region on March 4, 2018, and judging by the footage, if it weren't for the barrier, the force of nature could have swept away half of the village. Watching these images, it's hard not to admire and shudder at how unpredictable and truly all-powerful nature can be. The quiet Scotts Valley, just 10 kilometers from Santa Cruz and a short drive from Silicon Valley, was struck by a powerful tornado. It came as a surprise, even to meteorologists, as the residents had not received a warning about the approaching disaster. It's terrifying to even imagine what it was like for those caught off guard by the fury of nature right in the streets of the city. These shots make it clear that, even with all our greatest inventions, humans are nothing more than tiny fragments in the vast kingdom of nature. In 2021, several significant storms occurred on the Comoros Islands. One of them, Tropical Storm Joba, had winds reaching speeds of 75 kilometers per hour, according to some reports. Wow! Thank you all for taking the time to watch the video until the very end. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and leave a comment about the moment that impressed you the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the latest exciting videos. See you in the next videos, and wish you all a wonderful and energetic day.